Developing a farewell to the Brevard County teen who died on a cruise ship. How 18-year-old Anna Kepner died is still a mystery. Family and friends are gathering right now for a celebration of life.
WESH 2's investigative reporter Justin Checker is live across the street from the Grove Church in Titusville. And Justin, the family has asked for privacy during this service.
Yeah, we are not invited inside this church for the celebration of life. Over the past hour, I've seen a number of people arriving to remember Anna Kepner, and many of them are wearing blue, which was her favorite color. We're also learning new information from a hearing this morning in the child custody case involving the 16-year-old stepbrother identified in court documents as a suspect. I also had the chance to speak with Anna Kepner's birth mother.
She always wanted to make people laugh. She loved the water.
Anna Kepner's birth mother, Heather Wright, wants answers about how her daughter died on the Carnival cruise ship earlier this month.
No, the FBI has not tried to contact me at all.
After the Carnival Horizon returned to port in South Florida November 8th with her daughter's body, Wright says Anna's father did not reach out to her.
He never once tried to call me, get a hold of me, and anything when she died. I found out through Google.
Court documents in a child custody battle say the FBI is investigating Anna's 16-year-old stepbrother as a suspect. The attorney for the boy's mother, Chantel Kepner, is asking the court to seal any new filings.
The press has been hounding both myself and my client.
During Thursday morning's virtual hearing in the custody case, Mrs. Kepner's attorney told the judge,
the FBI has cleared my client from any wrongdoing.
Her ex-husband's attorney filed an emergency motion. The father wants custody of their 9-year-old child and for the court to address the placement of the 16-year-old.
The cruise was in international waters that the young child, not the 9-year-old, but the 16-year-old was allowed to drink. The teenagers were given their own room in which to stay.
There are videotapes on the ship that confirm that there was absolutely no drinking.
The 16-year-old is not in law enforcement custody, and right now, he's not staying with his immediate family.
The parties have agreed for the 16-year-old is now placed with a maternal relative.
The judge mentioned the possibility that Anna's stepbrother could be asked to testify in this custody case, but his mother's attorney objects to that.
I would have difficulty in them putting the 16-year-old on the stand because I don't want anything done that would incriminate the young man.
As family and friends gather inside this Titusville church for Anna's celebration of life, her mother is remembering how she got into cheerleading at a young age.
We had her in dance and gymnastics since she was 3.
And the attorney for the stepmother's ex-husband says Anna Kepner and her stepbrother were staying in the same room on that cruise ship. Miami-Dade medical examiner hasn't announced the cause of her death, and the FBI is not providing any updates at this time. Covering Brevard County live in Titusville, I'm Justin Checker, WESH 2 News.